everyone, I am Poonam Sahani. I am here to share my experiences about marathon. So I will not take much of your time and will start. It is evening 6:45 and I am sitting with my family in a deep thought as there is knee pain in my leg. I was in deep thought as day after tomorrow I have to participate in 10-kilometer marathon. But this knee pain is troubling me. How I can complete it? So my son advised me to consult the doctor, and then I visited the doctor and told the situation. He did an X-ray and told me that it is normal pain, and like you should not participate in the run as you have not done enough practice. I came back home very disappointed and shared this thing with my husband, with my son, and then I decided, come with me, I will run, I will participate. And the day come, I reached to the destination on the time and wore the serial number with the sensor that was provided to track the timings, and the race started. The run started. It was crowded and was difficult to run because so many people were there. Slowly, I moved and leaving the people behind. I kept on moving and crowd was left behind. I completed 3.5 kilometers. Then some strangers were saying like she is puffing, how she would be able to complete the marathon. I didn't pay attention and continued. Halfway I reached, and then my mind was saying to stop and telling me the reason of knee pain. It could be worsen if I didn't stop. I just thought about 10 years later when my son would be quoting my example to my grandchildren, like how your grandmother completed 10-kilometer run, that too at the age of 40 plus. That thought ignite a new fire in me, and thereafter I didn't stop. I continued, taking little bit sip of water and moving out. Didn't stop anywhere. And guess what? I completed the race, completed the run. I was reached on the destination. I was so joyful. I was like filled with joy that I accomplished whatever I said. Knee pain was no more. No sense of pain. Thereafter, not only like I joined the dance stage also. I was so excited, so happy, so joyful. It is a wonderful experience of my life. One thing I learned that never give up. Whatever your mind say, listen to yourself, believe in yourself. Mind will always stop you. It's you who have to decide what you want to do. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel to get notification for my upcoming videos through bell icon. Thank you.